Have you ever downloaded a file and wondered, is this safe? Or should I have checked before downloading? With so many cyber attacks and fake downloads online, it's vital to verify what you install. Two of the best techniques are CertUtil and VirusTotal. CertUtil is a Windows utility that can be used to check the hash value of a file. The hash value given shows if the file has been tampered with or not. I have downloaded Ubuntu 22.04. But before installing, I will need to check the hash value given on the Ubuntu website to use as a comparison. The Ubuntu site shows it here. Remember those last 4 characters for the next part. As you can see here, I have a repository of Linux versions. Selected is Ubuntu 22.04. If I now right mouse click anywhere in the folder and select Open in Terminal, a command prompt opens up automatically within that exact folder. After using the dir command, you can see all the files, including Ubuntu. I am now going to use the CertUtil command with this syntax: CertUtil -hash file, followed by the file name and SHA-256. After I type in CertUtil and begin hash file, the hash file turns to gray as it is a recognized command. I copy and paste the file name and finish with specifically the hashing algorithm of SHA-256. The hash is revealed and look at the last 4 characters, the same as the Ubuntu website. Congratulations! You now know that your file is safe to install. VirusTotal is easier to use and requires a quick visit to VirusTotal.com. Someone sent you a picture of a cat on WhatsApp, but you are like, bro, no one sends me pictures of cats. Upload your cute but angry cat image to VirusTotal.com. This site is amazing, as it scans your file against dozens of antivirus engines all at once. The result? Well, it comes back clean. So go and enjoy your cute kitty. Thanks for watching this online safety video from G-Man. Like, share and subscribe for the next video or just go to the playlist. There is a lot of useful info on here. See you real soon.